how to get YouTube on any smart TV. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your smart TV and then go ahead and take your remote and press the home button on the TV remote. Now, select the magnifying glass to open the search bar and then type in YouTube and it will appear in the search results. Now go ahead and select the app and then tap on the install button you see there. The download might take some time depending on your internet strength. And if instead of an install button you see an open or uninstall button, then it's probably because the YouTube application has already been installed on your TV. So simply go ahead and open that particular option, and with this, YouTube will be on your smart TV. And if you want to replace the existing YouTube version, then simply tap on the uninstall button and then repeat the download process to get the latest version of YouTube on your smart TV. So this was about how you can get YouTube on any smart TV. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.